Good morning, BSc second year students. Unit first, biomolecules. We studied the first, that is the carbohydrates. Second one, lipid, proteins, and third one, and which is very important, that is the lipids. You know what is the difference between the lipids and fat? What is the difference between these two components? Both are the same components, which is insoluble in water. In biomolecules, these are the non-polar organic solvent. Non-polar organic solvent, that is known as the lipids. You know the first idea about the lipids established was in 1943. German scientists, and find out about lipids are fats, oil, phospholipids, glycolipids, and some lipids are hormones and vitamins. This is the perfect definition about the lipids and fats. And actually lipid contains the glycerol and fatty acids, that is also shortly known as the lipids. Yes, and these types, the simple characteristics, the lipids and its structurally, the lipids are some esters of fatty acids with some alcohols. These are the important characteristics which including under the lipids. When you study that is the lipids, lipid is the energy component. It is very important for the biological. Lipid energetic source present in the lipids. The lipid factors, there are two important factors of the lipids, means sources actually. There is a plant source and animal sources. And what is the difference between the plant lipids and animal lipids? How differentiate these characteristics? Majority, the animal lipids are the solid, and plant lipids majority, that is the liquid. But both they are insoluble. Non-polar organic solvents. So it is known as the energetic components, that is the factors, lipids. When you study, that is the classification of lipids. What is the simple classification of the lipids? Three lipids are classified, major three types, which is simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids, it is also known as homolipids. Homo, same, that is the lipids. Homo means same, which complements that is the lipids, that is simple lipids. Yes. And second one, number 2, which is compound lipids. It is also known as the heterolipids. Yes, I have given that is the homolipids and simple lipids. It is also known as the simple lipids and compound lipids. And third one, which is the third one, derived lipids. Yes, and suitable examples we discuss one by one. When we studied the simple lipids or homolipids, its best example. Firstly, I have given there are two types of lipids, means two sources of lipids, which is the animal source and plant source. Majority, some lipids excrete from the animals, and some lipids extracted from the plants, and both are the major source. All the fats and lipids with the differentiated characteristics, lipids are majority non-edible, and some that is the fats also edible. What is the difference between the two depends upon that classification when you study one by one and its suitable examples, which are the edible and which lipids are non-edible. Yes, simple lipids, that is the homolipids. Simple example, first one, that is a fat. Fats, it is commonly known as oil. Yes, and what it contains? It contains the triglycerides. Triglycerides. Tri means three. Glyceride. Yes, I have given first with the definition of the lipids. What is the definition? Glycerol and fatty acids. Glycerol and fatty acids, that is known as lipids. Yes, and second example, that is the wax. That is the wax. It's a honeybee. These wax. It's the best example. Next one, which is the hetero lipids, and its best example, which is the phospholipids. Phosphate contained lipids, that is known as the phospholipids. Yes, first one, and its example. Glycolipids. Glycolipids, some lipids contain the glucose. All some lipids are tasty. Taste means sweet taste. That is known, that types of lipid just use as a sweet mark. That types of lipids. Yes, that is the glycoproteins. Sweet taste. Glycolipids. Kerosene, the best examples. Kerosene and kerosene. This first, second, and third one, which is the derived lipids. All of you know that is the, I have given lipids, glycerol and fatty acids. Simply, that is the lipids, and derived, that is the derived lipids. The best example, and it consists of, that is the number one, steroid. What is meant by the steroid? The steroids prepared from the plants and animals. Plant and animals. Firstly, I have given information about the two sources, which is the plant source and animal source. Yes, these are the two sources prepare the steroids, and the steroids are very useful in the medicine. Yes, and prepared from the plants and animal. Steroid lipids, and best example which is C29, Name of the steroids: C28, C27. That is the best examples. 3. Second steroid, derived lipids: teripin, monotetrapin. What is meant by first example mono and second example di? Mono means single, tetrapin, and second di-tetrapin. Tetrapin is 2 examples. Between monotetrapin and di-tetrapin. What is meant by mono? Single tetrapin found in the lipids components, and 2 components of lipids, that is meant by di-tetrapin. Third one, which is carotenoid, derived protein. First one steroid, second one terapin, and third one carotenoid. Carotenoid is the part of the derived lipids, and derived lipids is the part of the lipids. Those lipids present from the plant source and animal sources. So these chapters included biomolecules. Bio means 2, plants and animals, and bio means that is those are useful for the living organism. Carotenoid is suitable example: lycopene, and next example carotene. And this types the simple classification of the lipids we discuss, that is simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids, and its suitable examples. Thus, the remaining characteristics from this article, the properties of lipids. Majority the properties, 3 types of properties of each and every characteristics, just as carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids also. Now we discuss the lipids and what is its properties. You know, that is the physical properties, chemical properties, and biological properties. These 3 properties is essential or important of the lipids and fats. So it included the biological importance of fats and lipids. Yes, and its characteristics. Physical properties: physical state of the lipids and fats, and that lipids and fats, animal fats and plant fat. Animal fat and plant fat. That is the physical 2 characteristics. Second, oil. Oil is the second property of the lipids or fats. What is the difference between that is oil and fat? That is the oil is used for the human consumption, that is known as domestic oil, and some oil used as a mechanical purpose, and this type is wax. And both the oils and wax prepare from the some plants and animals. Yes, that is those oil used in the machineries, factories. That is the oil, that is paper oil. And second and important characteristics, you prepare a newspaper and to require the fats and oils. These oils, that types of fats is the colorless fat. And colorless fats are pure fat. It is used in the manufacturing condition. Melting point. Fourth one, which is the melting point. Melting point depends upon the sources of the oil, animal oil and plant oil. But its melting point is very low, you know. And third one, isomerism. What is meant by isomerism? Some characteristics, both are lipids and fats are brothers. And these types look like same. Molecular formula of the oils and fat. I have given the example firstly, that is the soils. Yes, and oil as a insulin. Oil used as insulin in the medicine purpose, in the industry purpose, in the factories. That is a very important role of the lipids. Yes, today we discuss about the lipids and its definition, when and where instead find out the lipids, some important characteristics about lipids, classification of lipids, describe classification, and some important, that is the properties. Yes, and this type. Remaining are the chemical properties. We'll discuss in next video. Okay?